broadcast to inform you that there's a statewide threat to New Jersey. The threat is a person named Sambucha. He has been going to several locations, testing to see if they're secretly a 5-star, and carries a bingo card with him. And if he completes the bingo card, all the locations he's been to gets destroyed. Be careful. He can change the rules to the bingo card to avoid getting affected by Sambucha. Lock the doors and don't let him review any locations. Remember to call $M if you have information on Sambucha. Stay safe. Now returning to regular broadcast. The government has fallen. I repeat, the government has fallen. We can no longer help anyone. National Guard and military were sent out to defeat Sambucha, but he was too strong and failed. He can now use infinite wildcards on the bingo card. Now, there's nothing we can do. We can only pray he surrenders. May God be with you all.